Hello friends, welcome back to my channel called Forever Creative. So today I am going to tell you how to make a drone, and I can give you guarantee that it will 100% fly. So the things we need are glue gun, electric tape, 9-volt battery, a long wire which can be divided into two, a DC motor, and 3 burned matchsticks. So firstly, we will take a long wire and then divide it into two. So I have divided the wire into two. So one is this and the another is this. So take a 9-volt battery and connect with the wire. So now I have connected with the 9-volt battery wire with the two wire which I have divided like this. So now we will take the DC motor and connect it with the another end of the wire. So now I have connected the another end of the wire. So now I have connected another end of the wire with the DC motor like this, and see how fast it is. And now we will keep this aside. Now we will take the 3 burn stick, and now I will tell you how much you have to burn. If you light like this, just for a second you have to do it like this and be of same size like this, and they are of the same size. So now we will keep it aside. So now we need the DC motor again so that we can make it legs like this. We are going to make something like that. So for sticking this we need glue gun. So now my glue gun is ready. So now we will take the DC motor like this and put some hot glue gun, and now we'll very carefully paste the matchstick and wait for a while. Then we will take another matchstick like this. Now I will again paste it, and they should be placed straight. So now I will paste the last matchstick like this. And now I am saying that we need another matchstick so that it stays balanced. So now we will paste it again. And now we will just check it that is standing or not. And this. Yeah, hopefully it's equal. And so by the help of glue gun, we have to make like a little thing of plate like this. And now for shaping the plate, take some powder in your hand and then put the powder like this. And like this. And it should be of square size. Like this. Wait for 10-15 minutes and it will be ready. So now you can see my small plate is ready. So now we will again take our glue gun and put it on our plate like this. Place this aside. So now you can see it's ready. So now we will take the electric tape or black tape. Place the tape like this. For more stability. Test time. So now we will test it how it's work. So now this is my drone. And the time I connect, see, it was just flying like a drone. And if you want to fly it up high, now for that we can put a thread like this. I will show you how to put that thread. So I have these 4 strands and now we'll place the strands like this. So we'll first put the strand here. So like this only we'll put that 4 strands. So my drone is ready for testing, and if you like you can put 3 strands also like this. And I've placed the first strand here. Now let's test. Yeah. So now you can see how it's flying up. So our drone making is complete. So as you were able to see how my drone was flying like this. So thank you friends for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my channel for more updates of my new video.